We took computers apart with cameras. We, Kieran, and Bella, she said the sources of our water. How computers work. Computers are like people. They follow instructions. Like when you press A on the screen, it comes out. When you download apps or log in with it, put it in a place called hard drive. The fan cools the computer down, so if it doesn't have a fan and you touch it, it will be burning fast. The CPU is really important. It is the brain of the computer. It remembers lots of things. The hard drive is really or a little similar to the CPU, but except when the hard drive has too much internet, the computer will slow down. So right now you know all the facts. It will be fun to see yourself. The screen is a cartridge. A paper slot is inside it. But if the screen breaks, the glass or plastic can be really easy to hurt you maybe.
How electricity works. Electricity cannot work if you don't have these two things, a battery and wires. There are obstructed the batteries that go into the wires as joined up with the batteries to be called electrons. If there's no battery and the wires are joined up to something like a fan, it will not work.
How flight works. There are forces working on a plane that are called thrust, weight, lift, and drag. These are the forces that help planes fly. But for birds, they have wings. When they flap their wings, they can fly on their own. But sometimes they glide. The wind controls them because they're not letting the wind control them. People say, why can't we fly? Because our bones are too heavy. Birds have hollow bones, and we are too heavy. No matter how light we are too heavy because of our bones. If you have 100 wings on a plane, it will be too heavy. If you have uneven wings, it will not balance. And if you have two, but it's too small, it would be like if you have two big wings, you are too heavy. But if you give a plane balance, and medium wings, it will be just fine.